Welcome again at AMJ series, and today we are going right in our hot tutorials and hot lectures in 2020, and we are going to start actually and very great in how to make our HTML and CSS3 interface. So you need to know how to make those things. You may ask your question, what's interface? What do you think about interface? What things do you need to know, and what are you going to learn today? We are going to learn in our tutorial today on how to make HTML5 and CSS3 interface, how to make it. So there are 3 steps that we need to follow so as we need to make those interfaces. And on those 3 steps, listen carefully. Subscribe our channel, like our videos, share our videos. If there is any question, drop it down in our comment section. Be careful when listening. Number 1, you need to create a folder. So the first step is creating a folder. You are going to create a folder. Click new folder. So after creating a folder, you need to set the folder the name that you need. So we are going to set the folder as AMJ series. AMJ series. Okay, after creating a folder, the most important thing of creating a folder is that all your files, all your HTML files, documents, all your CSS style sheet, all and each and everything, if there is images and anything, will be stored in the folder. So find the specific path of your folder, if it's desktop or any place, and we are going to save all our files in AMJ series folder via desktop path. So that's the first step. And second one, it's about creating index file. If you need to know why we are writing it as index.html, just go in our previous video. We have explained in depth about HTML5 basic. And if there is any question, just drop it down, because in this course we're not going again to describe about HTML5 basic in depth, because we have already explained it in our previous video. So just go and check our previous video, and the link of our video is down over there in our comment section. Don't forget to watch the video. So we are going to save the file on our path, this desktop, and we are going in desktop. Click AMJ series and write it as index.html. okay, right over there, ready. So this is the second step. Number 3, you need to have CSS style sheet. Click new file, Control S for saving the file within the AMJ series. So style.css. We created style.css. This is because I'm going to explain brief the part of style sheet. We created the style sheet. This is because style sheet is cascading style sheet. CSS is cascading style sheet. We created it because it depends in HTML. When you create an HTML file and you have the CSS file, then your website will look very great. But if you just have index.html file, because HTML is a markup language, it is used in creating layouts of websites, and style sheet or CSS, it's a language that is used in decorating your web page. So all decorations of the web page will based on style sheet, on your style sheet. For example, if you build a house and the house is not decorated, that we can say it's like HTML. So if even if a person sees the house is okay, it's just a house, but he's not even interested in it. But when you decorate your house with different colors, with different furnitures, with different etc etc etc, then if a person passes and say, oh wow, I like the house, so that's what CSS is. So we will see how we are using CSS within HTML. After creating our two files, then we are going to combine them together and see how we're going to use them. So those are the three steps when you need to create HTML and CSS interface before starting writing your. You need to create the folder, you need to have an index file.html, you need to have style.css file, so as you will come and create a great website. So follow our tutorials, watch our next video. If there is any question, drop it down in our comment section. If you have anything to say, or if you have any comments, drop it down in our comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video. Don't forget to click the notification bell, because you are going to get our future videos, and we have best thing for you in our next video. Thank you very much, and welcome again in our next tutorials.